Hey guys, welcome back again. I'm MJ. In this video, I will show you how to fix all Directx error or how to download and install all version of Directx in Windows PC. First, we need to check which version is installed in your Windows PC. To check this, simple thing is go to run command by pressing Windows R and here just type dx and then hit enter. Okay. Now press OK if you got any information, then press OK. Here go to display and here you will see DirectX version is 12. So right now in my PC DirectX 12 is installed. If you need DirectX 9, 10, 11 or other, you can do easily this one. Just open any browser or open Google and in the Google just type DirectX and hit enter. Open this first link. This is the official link of Microsoft. Open this first link. Okay. If you need DirectX 9, just type DirectX 9 here, or 10 like this, or 11 like this, and hit enter. So I'm going to go check the DirectX, and after this, open the first link here. Click on download. So I don't want MS and all this thing. So click on no thanks and continue. Okay, so download will start very soon. So this is a very little file. Okay, done. So save this file. Okay, save now. You will get this type of sort of file. Just double click on this and click on yes, and then click on I accept, then click on next. Okay, install the Bing, I don't want. Uncheck this and click on next. That's it. It will install your DirectX in your Windows PC. It's very easy. You don't need to do any hard work for this. Just click next and follow the on-screen instruction. So I have already installed this, so I'm not going to install right now. So it's an easy way to install any series of DirectX, any version of DirectX in your Windows PC. Thanks for watching. If you have any question, ask me in comments. There is a giveaway going on my channel. If you want to participate, click the link in video description. Thank you. See you next video.